This video contains instruction on how to force another auto-update on backup client agents when AhsayCBS remains the same version. This allows you to push updated client package without end-user interaction using auto-update feature in AhsayCBS. For example, your AhsayCBS currently runs on version 9.1.0.50. You have made some modifications like branding changes to the client application version 9.1.0.50, and you need to ensure that the new updates are dispatched to the client software via auto-update without user interaction. Because the user's device already run on version 9.1.0.50 client, auto-update will not further upgrade it as its version matches the AhsayCBS version. This video will discuss the steps how to push a higher client AUA version so the user's device will auto-update with the changes. Here are the following requirements. The auto-update function has already been enabled on AhsayCBS. The AhsayOBM or AhsayACB user account is selected for auto-update on AhsayCBS. The AhsayOBM or AhsayACB client machine must be powered on. The AhsayOBM or AhsayACB client machine must be connected to the internet. The AhsayOBM or AhsayACB scheduler services on the client machine must be running. The AhsayOBM or AhsayACB application GUI on the client machine must be closed. The home.txt file on AhsayOBM or AhsayACB client machine contains the correct path to the .obm or .acb folder. The runconfigurator.sh script must be closed for AhsayOBM on Linux and FreeBSD. Antivirus or firewall must allow the updated application binary files to complete the download onto the AhsayOBM or AhsayACB machine. Here are the following limitations. Auto-update is not supported for first-time client installation. If a client device's auto-update is not working, such as stuck on old client version, this video is not for you. You should contact Ahsay support for further troubleshooting to determine why the device's auto-update is not working. To force another update to AhsayOBM or AhsayACB clients, for backup purposes, create a duplicate copy of the index.xml file. It is located at the following: Drive C, Program Files, AhsayCBS, Download, Live Update, and the index.xml file. Edit the index.xml file with a text editor. Search for auto-update product and then the product name, and modify the version and then the version number by incrementing the version variable by one revision version. You may need to repeat the search and replace if the version you are modifying occurs more than once. Assuming AhsayCBS is on 9.1.0.50, search for the following. For AhsayACB users, search for auto-update, product, and then ACB. Increment the version variable, which is 9.1.0.50, by one revision version to 9.1.0.51. For AhsayOBM users, search for auto-update, product, and then OBM. Increment the version variable, which is 9.1.0.50, by one revision version to 9.1.0.51. Remember, it is not recommended to repeatedly rebuild the client and increment the version variable, such as continuously creating your own version, as the new version number that you have created may then be larger than the next official AhsayCBS release, which can cause future AUA upgrade problem. Also, a sub-revision version like appending an extra .x such as 9.1.0.50.1 is invalid. Save the changes to the .xml file. Enable AUA for all backup users or the individual users that should receive the updated client version 4. Refer to the Auto Update section in the AhsayCBS Administrator Backup and Restore Guide. Click the link in the video description. Inform backup users to close their client user interface. The AUA cannot upgrade the client if the application user interface is open. Within the next 15 minutes, the client's AUA service will automatically check if the index.xml version number is greater than the installed version. If yes, the client will perform an auto update. The client upgrade will download the changed binaries depending on network speeds. The installation process may take another 30 minutes. Take note that the client version reported from the software after an upgrade will remain as the true client version, for example, the official Assay release version, and not of the new version value created by following this video.